Okay, the Simon Phillips kick drums. This one's virgin, this one's got the tom mount. And I did mention a while back about maybe getting rid of this and putting a delete plate on it. So I've removed this and I've drawn it up. And I've come up with something that looks like this. And I've just sent it to the printer. How mint is that? It's got to remove the supports off it. I'll use the gasket. And stick it on the drum. Because this shell's got the holes in, I've put posts on and I can bolt the clamp plate back to it. That one I could print this without the post and just double tape it down to that and it'd look identical. I think it looks quite smart. So I've reattached the plate underneath. There she is. So what do you guys think look better? The mount? Or the delete plate?